For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
With the present status of the crypto market, numerous financial backers are hoping to sell their resources. Then again, we have encountered financial backers who put stock in crypto and consider this chance to be a markdown. These equivalent financial backers are likewise investigating Monero cost expectations on the grounds that XMR is quite possibly of the most well-known organization and cryptographic forms of money available. This is precisely exact thing we will cover in this video, including more data about the Monero Endlessly network. Assuming you are new to the crypto space, we exceptionally propose looking at our committed video for crypto fledglings. When you read it, you will have an incredible groundwork and a simpler time exploring through the tomb space. All things considered, we should get directly into it. Throughout the last week, the cost of Monero, XMR, stayed around $167.10. The course supply of TRX is 18.15 billion. The market cap went up to $3.03 billion. What is Monero, XMR? Monero is an open-source, security-arranged, confirmation-of-work digital currency, which utilizes a Misty blockchain. This makes all exchange subtleties like shipper, beneficiary, sum, and so forth unknown by camouflaging addresses. Monero is the most notable digital money that intends to give security and secrecy, which is likewise the motivation behind why it never leaves the market's main 50. Also, it is apparently the most decentralized stage out there. The stage figures out how to accomplish the ideas it is professing to handle, by principally utilizing two apparatuses, ring marks and covertness addresses. Besides, the non-detectable exchange history the organization carries out offer members fundamentally expanded security and well-being. Close by that, the fungible XMR tokens imply that they can't be boycotted or impeded in any capacity whatsoever. 2022 Monero, XMR, price prediction. A portion of the monetary business top names have loaned their weight to Monero's cost visualization. The quantity of coordinated efforts and occasions with the digital currency area exhibits that many individuals are certain about cryptographic money. As per that into Monero's exhibition over the course of the last year, it might accomplish an enormous lift by the end of the year, dissimilar to other huge coins like Bitcoin and ETH, and get through the $200 mark once more, which will draw it nearer to its past levels. Obviously, there's the situation that we experience further world contentions that can influence the crypto market. All things considered, we can anticipate that XMR should drop in cost. Nobody can say without a doubt the way that low it might go, however we can undoubtedly see it dropping to around $90, $110. 2023 Monero, XMR, price prediction. Numerous examiners have made Monero cost expectations for 2023, and the overall agreement is that the cost of Monero will keep on rising. This depends on various variables, including the rising utilization of Monero's innovation, the developing notoriety of crypto, and the general inspirational perspective for the worldwide economy. While it is difficult to say precisely exact thing the cost of Monero will be in 2023, most specialists concur that it can possibly arrive at new levels. All the more everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of Monero should reach $263.19 $269.25 toward the finish of 2023. 2024 Monero, XMR, price prediction. On the off chance that the development from Monero proceeds, we can undoubtedly see it getting gigantic reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 is pretty much as moderate as could really be expected, to not deceive you. We accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Monero will reach something like $300. On the off chance that we let ourselves be somewhat more speculative, we'd raise it to $320, bringing it increasingly close to its past pinnacle. 2025 Monero, XMR, price prediction. As per numerous Monero devotees and their cost forecasts, XMR costs might rise decisively in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $352.91 and $359.18. Nonetheless, The most sensible assumption is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With far and wide reception, XMR cost forecast as a modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the Monero organization can altogether grow and create. All things considered, costs might try and go as high as $425.65, extremely near its past ADH, yet that is very aggressive. Concerning a more terrible situation, there are numerous things we can't foresee, such as any worldwide military, ecological, pandemic, monetary, and other comparative issues. In any case, we should investigate what we have within reach. On the off chance that a solid contender emerges, things can go south for Monero. Something else that can happen is assuming there's any adjustment of the organization's activity. This can incorporate a difference in CEO, engineers, other colleagues, and so on. Assuming that occurs, we can see the cost of Monero dropping by 50 to 70%, meaning it will go for about $135–150. 2026 Monero, XMR, price prediction. Keeping our moderate methodology, we won't attempt to make absurd cost expectations for Monero. Albeit many accept that by 2026 the cost of XMR will be no less than $500, and pass its past ADH, we'd give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, however as far as crypto, it is. We accept that Monero will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $478.90 and $482.22. 2027 Monero, XMR, price prediction. As the years go by and Monero proceeds with its extension and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly see it going for as much as $4. Nonetheless, assuming we are by and large more practical, the cost could stay moving sideways, as that is a strong development. We imply that XMR will be assessed at around $511.02, $520.33. We figure the lower range of our value forecast will be more precise than the higher. However, obviously, the crypto market is very flighty, so we should sit back and watch. 2028 Monero, XMR, price prediction. In 2028, on the off chance that Monero emerges with new undertakings and encounters further reception, we can see it possibly going to and arriving at a cost of $561.23, $579.04. In any case, this is for the most part hopeful. On the lower end, we can see XMR being worth around $512.32, while on normal leftover at around $538.40.